Hello. We left off reading some emails, and Mr. Tushman from the book Wonder was handling a difficult parent pretty well, I think. So let's see how this continues. And we're also seeing how Jack and Augie restore their friendship. Sometimes that happens. Friendships have some bumpy roads. It's just part of life. So let's continue. That's where we left off. And there's the intro of the email. Hi, Melissa. Thank you for being so understanding about this incident with Jack. He is, as you know, extremely sorry for his actions. I hope you do accept our offer to pay for Julian's dental bills. We are very touched by your concern regarding Jack's friendship with August. Please know we have asked Jack if he felt any undue pressure about any of this, and the answer was a resolute no. He enjoys August's company and feels like he has made a good friend. It's a Facebook post. Oh, it's a Facebook request. Hi, August. Jackalope Will wants to be friends with you on Facebook. I don't know if you're old enough for Facebook, but it's a way to keep in touch with friends. 32 mutual friends. Thanks, the Facebook team. 2, Augie Doggy, etc. Email. Oh, this is another email. Subject. Sorry. Message. Hey, August, it's me. Oh, look how he didn't capitalize August. It's a common mistake for 10-year-old fifth graders. It's me, Jack Will. I noticed I'm not on your friends list anymore. Hope you friend me again, 'cause I'm really sorry. I just wanted to say that. Sorry, I know why you're mad at me now. I'm sorry I didn't mean the stuff I said. I was so stupid. I hope you can forgive me. Sometimes this is an appropriate use of text speech. Text typing. It's okay. Hope we can be friends again, Jack. Another text message. Got your message. You know why I'm mad at you now? Did Summer tell you? She told me bleeding scream as a hint, but didn't get it at first. Then I remember seeing bleeding scream in homeroom on Halloween. Didn't know it was you. Thought you were coming as Boba Fett. Another text. I changed my mind at the last minute. Did you really punch Julian? Uh-oh, this might be a way they bond back again. Oh, no. Another text. Yeah, I punched him. Knocked out a tooth in the back, a baby tooth. Why'd you punch him? I don't know. Liar. I bet he said something about me, right? He's a jerk, but I was a jerk too. Really, really, really sorry for what I said, dude, okay? Can we be friends again? Typing. Spelling. Okay. Awesome! Spelled so funny. But tell me the truth, okay? Would you really want to kill yourself if you were me? No! I swear on my life, but dude, I would want to kill myself if I were Julian. Lol. LOL. Yes, dude, we're friends again. Aw, that's good. Back from winter break. Despite what Tushman said, there was no clean slate when I got back to school in January. In fact, things were totally weird from the second I got to my locker in the morning. I'm next to Amos, who's always been a pretty straight-up kid, and was like, yo, what up? He basically just nodded a half hello and closed the locker door and left. I was like, okay, that was bizarre. And then I said, hey, what up? To Henry, who didn't even bother half smiling but just looked away. Okay, so something's up. Just by 2 people in less than 5 minutes. Not that anyone's counting. I thought I'd give try one more time with Tristan, and boom, same thing. He actually looked nervous, like he was afraid of talking to me. I've got a form of the plague now, is what I thought. This is Julian's payback. Oh, Julian. And that's pretty much how it went all morning. Nobody talked to me. Not true. The girls were totally normal with me, and August talked to me, of course, and actually I have to say both Maxes said hello, which made me feel kind of bad for never ever hanging out with them the past 5 years I've been in their class. Oh. I hoped lunch would be better but it wasn't. I sat down at my usual table with Luca and Isaiah. I guess I thought since they weren't in the super popular group, but were kind of middle of the road jock kids, that I'd be safe with them. But they barely nodded when I said hello. Then when our table was called, they got their lunches and never came back. I saw them find a table way over at the other end of the cafeteria. They weren't at Julian's table, but they were near him, like on the fringe of popularity. So anyway, I'd been ditched. I knew table switching was something that happened in 5th grade, but I never thought it would happen to me. I felt really awful being at the table by myself. I felt everyone was watching me. It also made me feel like I had no friends. I decided to skip lunch and go read in the library. Oh, it's hard when you do the right thing and you're not treated like you did the right thing. Let's see how he works this out. The war. It was Charlotte who had the inside scoop on why everyone was dissing me. I found a note inside my locker at the end of the day. Meet me in room 301 right after school. Come by yourself, Charlotte. She was already inside the room when I walked in. Sup, I said. Hey, she said. She went over to the door, looked left and right, and then closed the door and locked it from the inside. Then she turned to face me and started biting her nails as she talked. Look, I feel bad about what's going on, and I just wanted to tell you what I know. Promise you won't tell anyone I talk to you? Promise. So Julian had this huge holiday party over break, she said. I mean huge. My sister's friend had her Sweet 16 at the same place last year. There were like 200 people there, so I mean, it's a huge place. Yeah, and, well, pretty much everybody in the whole grade was there. Not everybody, I joked. Right, not everybody, duh. But like, even parents were there, like, my parents were there. Julian's mom is the vice president of the school board, right? She knows a lot of people. Anyway, so basically what happened at the party was that Julian went around telling everyone that you punched him because you had emotional problems. What? And that you would have gotten expelled, but his parents begged the school not to expel you. What? And that none of it would have happened in the first place if Tushman hadn't forced you to be friends with Augie. He said his mom thinks that you, quote unquote, snapped under the pressure. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. No one bought into that, right? I said. She shrugged. That's not even the point. The point is, he's really popular. And, my mom heard that his mom is actually pushing the school to review Augie's application to Beecher. Can't she do that? It's about Beecher not being an inclusion school. That's a type of school that mixes normal kids with special needs. That's just stupid. Augie doesn't have special needs. Yeah, but she's saying that if the school is changing the way they usually do things in some ways, but they're not changing anything. Yeah, they did. Did you notice they changed the theme of New Year art show? In the past years, 5th graders painted self-portraits, but this year they made us do those ridiculous self-portraits as animals, remember? So big freaking deal. I know. I'm not saying I agree. I'm just saying that's what she's saying. I know. This is just so messed up. I know. Anyway, Julian said that he thinks being friends with Augie is bringing you down, and that for your own good, you need to stop hanging out with him as much. And if you start losing all your old friends, it'd be a big wake-up call. So basically, for your own good, he's going to stop being your friend completely. Okay, we have to leave it there. So that's what's up, why he's being shunned. So we'll find out how he handles this next time.